Question number 4. Inoperative towing vehicle protective valve. Start the truck. Now disconnect the blue line. Release only yellow brake. Maintain pressure to 100 psi. Now turn the engine off and keep ignition on. Keep your side door open. Press and hold brake pedal. Now try to listen the audible leakage from the blue line. Say, I don't hear any air leakage from blue line, so my protection valve is good. Now read minor or major and describe. If inoperative towing vehicle protection system, it is a major defect, I will note down in my logbook, call the operator, and I will not drive.